So how you make your TV not smart, become like a real smart TV? Well, simple. What you need is a TV box. This one is the DQ6, runs Android 10.0. So here you can run Plex on, or Plex, and Kodi games, and much more. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and today we have this great Android TV box. It's a simple way where you can make your TV, not a smart TV, or let's say the dumb TV, become real smart for one of these devices. Let me show this right now. All right, so out of the box, what we get? They transform a 5 volt, 110, 240. We get the HDMI cable, instructions, and remote control, and AAA batteries not included, so 2 batteries, and simple to use. Even you can activate the mouse, but I never recommend to use the mouse. Just use this key to navigate. I'll show you that in a second. All right, so this one is Android 10.0. So the TV box comes with the 4 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM. And technically the ROM, it will be your storage to install games, or I don't know, movies, MP3. That will be, let's say, your hard drive, right? So this one runs a quad core. So it's the RK3318, 64-bit. Now, dual, they're very important, right? Dual Wi-Fi 2.45 gigahertz, and nice because it comes with the built-in antenna, and USB 3.0. Nice, and 4K as well. So we take a look at the box. We see the antenna right over here. That's nice because it will give you better signal, or receive better signal from your Wi-Fi. Right in the back, AV, that will be the connection for your old TV. No cables included. You have to get the cables from either Amazon or eBay. Those cables are the 1A cables. They comes with the, remember those yellow connection, RCA yellow. Your red is your right, and your white is your left. That's for the old TV 480 resolution. But the optical connection, so if you want to go into a receiver, RJ45 for your Ethernet connection if you want to go wire, HDMI cable, and DC power 5 volts. Now from the back, USB 2.0 keyboard. I will say keyboard or anything else. Okay, we'll put a flash drive if you here, but it has USB 3.0, so I will put it at 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte drive for all your media. Now TF card, micro SD card, real small one. And right in the front, we have the display. They will show you the time when you boot it up. So I'm going to plug it in so we can see this real time. Okay, we ready? Let's plug in. And it starts right away. And we can see here, this is boot. It's booting, right? And so it's pretty fast. Anyway, maybe about 20 seconds. Then we're going to have the intro of Android. And what is nice is dual Wi-Fi, by the way, and Bluetooth as well too. So I will allow you to install a keyboard, mouse, or any other Bluetooth device. That's a nice add-on, right? And by the way, you can use any type of mouse. You can use the one from your computer and plug it in. It will automatically detect it with no problem. No drivers required or anything. By the way, if you guys want to buy drivers, none of these boxes will allow you to install any drivers, at least in any easy way we know. So if you look into it, something that requires a driver, it will not work. All right, that's all these type of boxes, by the way. But mouses and keyboards, just plug it in, Bluetooth will automatically detect it. All right, and here we show you the time, all right, and automatically synchronize the time with the internet when you set up the time zone. All right, so we see the main screen. Well, a lot of applications pre-installed. We can see there we have Plex. So the way I navigate, I just navigate using the keys are the remote control. So we can see Plex right over there in the top. We got Facebook, Skype, BLC. So you play all your favorite movies. It's a good player there. Twitter, Gmail, and we can add more. Even comes with Netflix, YouTube. YouTube starts pretty fast. Now, if you want, you can install Kodi here. It will work perfect. Let's start YouTube. And as you see, boom. So if your TV is a 4K, you'll be able to play the 4K videos with no problem. Let's go back there. And we see even we can change the wallpaper, clean the memory, clean here, and if you have anything, just like if you have an Android phone, you already know you have the clean memory type of thing. So you click right over there. So if you run any type of server, that automatically will detect it. If you click there, it will need to config first. It even comes with Chrome, Firefox, another media player. And it has a bunch of other applications, even for gaming, a lot of more stuff. And as you see there, in Netflix. Now, if you go into the configuration, in the top we see they show you the Wi-Fi connected and the time. But I'm going to go here and let me change the language. We're going to go into the preference and allow you to change language. So I'm going to go into language. And we activate English. We'll go back to the beginning. And that's what we see. Right now, I'm connected to 2.4, but also detects 5 gigahertz. If you have a Google account, you can always log in if you want through here. Right, and if we click right there, we see the preference. Display, and automatic should display, so not touch anything. It will automatically check your resolution, right? So if you got 4K, it automatically will detect it here, whatever is available. The nice, it has a nice advanced settings where you can fix and change if you want a warm, cold, sharp. You can change configuration of the screen as you see right there. That's a nice era. And then about, we can see there, we're running an Android 10. All right, day and time Bluetooth, and automatically detects all my devices. So keyboards, mouse, whatever you have a Bluetooth device, it will work and detect it. Day and time, remember that you need to set up Go in advance, and what you need to do is set your time zone. When you set the time zone, automatically will get the time from the internet if they choose to do that, and PM or the military format. Language, we saw that. Keyboard, again, we can change the keyboard to any language. Sound, we have the input devices here. That's nice if you want to turn on your TV and turn off the box automatically, or if you set your TV to HDMI input 3, automatic will turn the box if it's that connected. So you can do that through here, whatever you want. If you want, turn the box on, turn the TV, or turn the TV and turn the box on. You don't have to physically turn on the box. We can control everything, and that's only if you have HDMI connected. Storage, you'll be able to see the famous 32 gigabyte. But once again, you can add the external storage. And screensaver location, when you need to activate that. This is not a phone. Secure registration, I believe the way it is, this is where it allows you to install any other programs that are not from the Google Store. And for remote control and mouse, once again, just grab any Bluetooth remote control or any mouse, even a USB mouse, it will work perfect. So if you see, is an easy box to control. The only thing I've been using this, and that's it. Doesn't require much. Just boom, navigate. Do not. My recommendation is do not activate the mouse, because when you activate the mouse, you will see the mouse point there and it goes super slow, because the way to navigate, you have to use this key to rotate, and it goes super slow. So that will take you forever. Never do that. Just want to navigate through there. Now they have the home key, so if you have any application, automatically goes there. You can always change what they call the favorites. If you go there, you can always go click there and change that. Add more applications or take the applications if you don't have to. But there's time, because it comes with plenty applications already pre-set up for you. And anything that has the green check, it's the one that is the main screen. You can always change that. Right? Now remember, if you see in the tab, it shows like search or type, and it has a microphone. Well, there is no mic connected to this, so there is no microphone on this remote control, so that will not work. That's just part of the Google 10, right? But that thing is a real nice box, and it works real fast. 4K, 4 GB system, 32 already pre-installed. So if you need to install applications or whatever, there will be plenty of storage. The way I will do, I will plug in an external hard drive, and that works fine. Or if you run in a server at home, right? If you run a Plex server, well, that automatic will be able to play. And you can install a bunch of games and play games as well too. One of these boxes are real good to play like 80s games. That works perfect. Now, like always, to get one of these boxes to make your TV that is smart, make it more smart at what it is, or if it's real dumb, and make it super smart, I'll leave you the link right below this video. Thank you. Bye.